Modal box is something that comes handy when you are creating applications, whether mobile applications or desktop applications or even web applications. So in this video, I'm going to learn how to create Popup Modal box in Python. So as you can see, how it looks. So if you click on Open Modal, it shows up like this. Look at that. So you have the title, you have the body, then you have the button to close it. So you have it in different colors like this, as you can see. Alright, so that's what we're going to learn how to do in this video. So let's get right into it. Open your editor, as you can see here. So import the various libraries. So as you can see, so you have the MD app button, then dialog, as you can see right here. Alright, so then after doing that, the next thing we need to do is to create a class for it. So you create a class, it's based on object-oriented principles. Then I will call it a Popup Modal box. Then we'll run the class at the bottom here. Then we'll make a dialog equals none. So this dialog here will not display, basically, will not be visible, basically. Then we'll create a function, build self. Then we say self.theme underscore cls dot theme style. Then we'll make it like that is the default anyway. We're going to change it as we get along. Then we'll just duplicate that and alter it to get the primary palette, make it blue. Again, that is the default. All right, so then we'll return MD fill round flat button. Then we'll give, that is the button that will show up on the screen. Then we'll give it a text of Open Modal box. Then the next thing we need to do is to centralize it, put it at the middle of the screen. So as you will see in a moment. Alright, so then when you click on that button that you saw or that you're going to be seeing at the main button on the screen, so what do we want it to do? So what we want it to do is to pop up the dialog box, which is this display box that we are creating, this function. Alright, so within this function called dialog display box, so we now create the dialog. So we now bring in that creative variable called dialog equals MD dialog. Okay, so now the MD dialog will have a title called Modal box. Then the text within the box, we just put any random text there, as you can see. Okay, so then having done that, then what we need to do is that then we need to put a button here. So that is just the title. Then this is the text that will be within the body. Okay, so if you run it now, okay, this is what you have. That button is just there. It doesn't do anything for now. All right, so because we need to be able to display, we need to create, run the function basically. So we now create buttons. The button that we are creating here, we just say create an array of buttons, but we are going to have just one button anyway. So the button will have a closed text on it. Then when you click on that closed text or that button, what does it do? It will close the box. So that box will have that's when you press it to be self.close. So we need to go and create that box or that function that is going to call. So of course, for you to run, you need to have self.dialog.open. So the open there makes the dialog to show up. Okay, so that's what you have here. Then we create the function to close the box. So we now say dev close box. Then so this is that when you click on this box, yeah. When you click on this that box, it will call the close box. Or when you click on that button, it will call the close box function, as you can see right here. All right, so now say self, then args, that's argument. Then within the body of the function or the method, so we say self dot dialog, that dialog that we created earlier. So we now say dot dismiss. Okay, so the dismiss function is more or less against the open function. So something that opens, if you want to close it, you use that. In terms of dialog now, you use dismiss function to close and open dialog, as you can see right here. Okay, so once you have that done, then let's run it now. So once you run it and you click on this, so that it shows the dialog. Then if you click on close, it closes it. You can actually also click outside and to close the dialog, right? Like that. Okay, so like that. But it's good to always have a button to really lead the users for user experience. Of course, if you click on, like I said, any open space, there is also dismiss the dialog. All right, so dark, we created a dark mode. It doesn't work. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be self.theme_cls.theme_style. Yeah, add style here. Underscore style. So that will make it work now. So if you go run it again now, okay, look at that. So you see that it gives you the dark mode. All right, look at that. It gives you that dark mode. All right, so then of course, like I said earlier, you can change the theme. That is, you can change the color of even if it's on dark mode, you can change the palette. For example, purple, you can give it purple. Anyone that is supported, purple, green, pink, and the rest. So you can see that this gives us purple. Look at that. So then you can actually run it as a full-fledged desktop app. Okay, so as you can see right here. All right, so then you can give it other colors, as you see in a moment. So you can give it other colors like green, but let's give it pink. So give it pink. If you give it pink, look at what it gives you. Beautiful color. It's a little bit different from the regular pink, I know, but anyway, so it works. That is how to create pop-up modal box in Python with the help of KivyMD. MD that stands for material design. I hope this helps you in any way. If it has helped you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.